welcome back to my channel. My name is Annie. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you my pamper and self-care routine which I'll be doing for my face and my hair. So this is going to be more like a DIY facial and hair routine, and all these products which I'll be using are not cosmetic products which you need to buy. All these products are going to be the ingredients from the kitchen so that most of you out there can make use of it and do it yourself at home. I have been following multiple routines for my face and my hair, and it's been years since I'm doing that, and I have benefited a lot from that. I'll be sharing one such routine in this video, and I'll try to share the other routines in upcoming videos. Since it has helped me, I'll be glad if it helps you as well. If you want to know more about it, then please stay with me till the end of this video. Without further ado, let's just get on to the video. So first of all, just make sure that your hair is completely detangled ताकि hair mask लगाते time it's easier, and just slip on any comfortable t-shirt of yours जिस पे अगर कुछ गिर भी जाए, you really don't mind about that. So first we'll prepare the face mask जिसमें I'll be using besan first, and मैं थोड़ा ज़्यादा लूँगी ताकि मैं अपने body के लिए भी लगा सकूँ. Then turmeric. Be careful with how much you put in because turmeric usually adds yellowish hue on your skin. Then I'll add curd. Curd आपको जितना भी ऐड करना है आप ऐड कर सकते हो. उसके बाद मैं हनी यूज़ करूँगी. हनी इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट बिकॉज इट एड्स लॉट ऑफ मॉइस्चर टू योर स्किन, and I'll tell the benefits of all the products in the later part of the video. So next I'll be adding lemon. So I have taken one lemon here. I've cut it into two. The first half I'm using for my face and body mask. So just squeeze the lemon and add those lemon drops to it. सबको mix कर देना, and then your face mask will be ready. So even if your quantity of face mask is too much, don't worry, you can just stock it in the fridge for 2 to 3 days, or you can also use it for your body scrub when you take bath. Now we'll prepare the hair mask. For that you will have to take coconut oil. You can just take how much ever oil you want depending on the length of your hair, but take sufficient enough so that you can apply at your roots and your hair everywhere sufficiently. Now I'll add curd to it. You can add curd how much ever you want, no quantity requirement as such. And then add honey to it. Honey just 1 spoon would do, and the remaining half lemon you can use it for this one. Now mix it all well together and your hair mask is ready. So even if the quantity is more, you can stock it in the fridge for 1 to 2 days. So first I'll start with the hair mask so that I can get the hair off my face. Moreover, the hair mask needs to be on the hair for the longer time compared to the face mask. So I'll start off with the hair mask first. I'll apply it on the scalp and the roots and massage it nicely, and then slowly go downwards and cover the hair strands. Initially I'll make sure that I cover all the partition of my hair and apply and massage simultaneously, because later once the hair is dry, the hair becomes little stiff, and at that point of time you cannot massage it. So massage it right now. Cover every partition. Don't be like Annie. Be very careful. आराम से लगाना, mirror देख के लगाना. Otherwise you'll end up spilling on the face just like me. So just wipe it off and continue applying it. So the coconut oil will help in nourishing the scalp and it moisturizes the dry hair. Curd is packed with antibacterial properties, so जब भी मुझे लगता है कि बहुत dryness है या फिर dandruff and itchiness है बालों में, so I tend to apply curd a lot. You can use both the hands to massage your hair, and that makes it even easier to apply. So use both the hands to cover everywhere. And honey will add shine to your dull hair, so it adds lot of moisture to the dry strands as well, and it also promotes hair growth, so it's very good for that. Lemon is a very good conditioner. I usually don't apply lemon directly. I mix it with either honey or curd. It prevents dandruff and it makes your hair very soft and silky. If you have not tried it, do try it. So I'll cover every part of the hair, and I'll cover the lower ends as well. And once it's all done, you can just clutch it up. You can make a bun or you can put a clip and leave it for an hour. So just 15 to 20 minutes before the bath, I'll wash my face and I'll apply the face mask. I feel 15 to 20 minutes is more than enough for a face mask to do its magic. I don't use it as an uptan. I just use it as a mask where I apply, massage it in circular motion, leave it on my face and my neck for some time and rinse it off. So besan is a perfect homemade natural scrub. It exfoliates your skin and it leaves you with a very soft and smooth skin. Turmeric reduces acne and any scars which you have, and it also helps in cleaning up the breakout. Curd reduces prevents any acne, it reduces any pigmentation and tan you have, and it adds glow to your skin. Lemon gives even skin tone and it acts as a natural bleach, so it lightens all the scar you have, and it reduces the oil from your skin, and it also prevents premature aging. And honey, it helps in retaining the moisture, and it's a good treatment for a dull skin. Use the rest of it for my body. So I'm done with my bath, and I feel my hair has become super soft and silky than what it was way before that, and I feel my skin is very hydrated and smooth. So I never use any blow dryer for my hair. I always prefer air drying it, because using a blow dryer is not good for your hair, and normal air drying is best for the long term safety of your hair. So now to seal the deal, I'll just apply moisturizer all over my face and my neck, and I'll also use lotion all over my body. Right after the bath, it's always advisable that we apply the moisturizer and the lotion, because the skin is very soft, and at that point of time it will absorb the moisturizer very easily. I apply it all over my face and my neck. I never ignore neck, because neck has a very sensitive skin and it's important that we protect it, otherwise it will get wrinkles very soon. I've used curd, lemon, honey as a common ingredient for hair mask and face mask, because I feel that if you already have it at home, it's easier to prepare both of it together, and it's easier to remember as well. So I just want to show you the results after normal air drying. This is how my hair looks after it's fully dry. It's very soft and silky, and you can see a difference. So I'm very happy with the result, and I really want you guys to just give it a try and then come back to this video and give it in the comment and let me know whether it really worked for you. With home remedies, you have to be very patient, because that requires a lot of patience and a lot of consistency. You have to be patient with yourself, but definitely it's going to give you a good result. So that's it for today's video. I hope you found this video useful, and if you did, then please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so that you get notified whenever my new video is up on the channel. I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, take care.